All right, so Ava, this is our first ever bike ride to the beach, all the way from our house.
We're gonna do this a lot more.
March,
Steep hills. When we get
March
back.
5th, 2017. Another beautiful day. There's the beach cruisers. And Fawny. Did Fawny have fun?
I have to show that?
Yeah. The reward was something at the beach shack, but it's closed.
You said it was not. No, it's gonna open though.